Hi friends, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to create a multiplication table in Pascal. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers in my channel. Thank you for your support. If you are new with my channel, please hit the like button, click the notification bell, and then select all so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Share in social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, among others. And then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. So I'm using Free Pascal. So what is good about Free Pascal is that it is free, and then it is an open source that you can download in the internet. Okay, so here we have here the comments, yours truly, my website where you can download the sample programs, my email address jakerpomperada@gmail.com. You can reach me here if you have some question, and then currently I'm accepting programming jobs. And then my place here in the Philippines, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. The recording date November 22, 2020, Sunday, 5:29 a.m. So using program, no, it is not square root. I'm very sorry. Multiplication underscore table. F2 to save. Use CRT, and then we have here var, row, and column integer. So when we say integer, it refers to a data type that is whole number, negative numbers, and zero. Begin. So I initialize the variables row and column to 0. Cell RECR to clear the screen. Well, this command, it belongs to Turbo Pascal, but it still works in Free Pascal IDE. So go to XY, column 15, row 4, write multiplication table in Pascal, semicolon. Go to XY, 15, row 6, 4 row, colon equals 1 to 12, do. So I'm using nested loop. So I want to create what you call this, a matrix that has a dimension of 12 row and then 12 column. So begin right line for column equals 1 to 12, begin right row, multiply by column 4 for the distance, and semicolon, and here, and then we have your semicolon. Go to XY 20 or 2020, right line end of the program that informs that the user that the program is ended, and red line and end. After that, when we execute the program, control F9. So we have here the result, multiplication table in Pascal. So we have here the output, sorry. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 10 times 9 will be 90. 11 times 11, 121. 12 times 12 is 144. Very simple, very easy to create. It just needed for loop statement that is nested. So I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete program nesting. So this is okay, let us compile again. Okay, and run. So this is the end of our tutorial video guys on how to create a multiplication table in Pascal. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, click the notification bell, don't forget to leave a comment, and to support my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much guys. See you in the next video. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.